Thinking about retirement planning in 2026?
If so, we're going to talk about why planning for long-term care could be an important piece of the puzzle.
Not to get too technical, but we expect with the Fed meeting next week, the interest rates are going to continue to decrease next year. How does that affect insurance companies?
We all pay our mortgages, and essentially a lot of insurance companies collect that interest. So with higher interest rates, the options on the market have been more lucrative than they probably will be going forward.
Really, the 10-year treasury is what a lot of the insurance companies put their premiums in that they collect. As it goes down, they have less room to earn interest on your money. So what they do is increase prices. So that's why we expect long-term care insurance rates to be increased 18% in 2026.
And we didn't just pull that number out of thin air. We've been doing this about 20 years. We went back and looked at historical rates, did some estimations on where we think things are going, and looked at the actual numbers on the hybrid plans that were on the market, say in 2019.
In 2019, these premiums were about 20% lower. So with all the inflation we've had in the past 5-6 years, they're going to have to pass that cost on to the consumers in higher pricing.
What this means is if you already have a policy, you're good to go. Nothing's going to change. If you're thinking about buying a policy, you could score as much as $150,000 extra 20 years from now when you need long-term care by acting sooner rather than later.
So if long-term care planning is part of your retirement portfolio, or if it hasn't come to mind, maybe check it out because it is an important piece as people age and we're living longer. Long-term care insurance is becoming an increasingly bigger part of a solid financial plan. And we help our clients shop the entire market, and we'll quote all the companies out there to try to find which company in your state, based on your health, your gender, which one has the lowest rates.
We're LTC Tree. We can compare all the major companies. Check us out, and thanks for watching.